Hi folks, I'll show you how to change water pump in the Kia Sportage. This is the simple. I already take out the belt. So you take out the wheel. You take out the driver's side wheel, and I took off the engine mounting on the under and the engine mounting on the top. Now this is the procedure. It's very easy how to change water pump from Kia Sportage 2015. This is 1.7 diesel. These are pulleys. It has so many pulleys, so I took off. This is the water pump next to alternator. So this is the way. Now already loosen the 4 bolts under. So the next thing I have to do is to take out. This is the water pump location. As you can see, I took my screwdriver. You see water is coming. So I already took off the water from the radiator. There is no water in the engine and in the radiator. This is how to remove water pump. It's a small thing, but so new models, everything keep changing right now. This is the water pump location. I took it off. As you can see, the old one. It has 4 holes, 12 millimeter. Yeah, I won't be long. Like, as you can see, there is 2 holes for water pump. As I removed, it's a simple thing. Like, where I can put it back, I can do that. I put it here, so I save you a lot of $100 to fix this. You can do it yourself. Thank you.